$5 million lawsuit 13 years ago is now a 100 million plus lawsuit. Greetings in the name of God, Jehovah, Christ Jesus, Yahweh, and Yeshua. I am Minister Pedro, and I want to let you know about a situation going on in New York City. 13 years ago, I worked for a company called Urban Express, which is now called UX Logistics, which is at 229 West 36th Street in Manhattan, New York City. The CEO is Michael Fiorito. And 13 years ago, there was a situation in which this company did not like, some of its employees did not like the fact that I had a bag, a plain briefcase, which said, God, Jehovah's Word, Jesus. Had an American flag on it and the cross. I was told I couldn't use that bag in the company while I was working for them. I tried to deal with it, and I was terminated from the job. I spoke with the Human Resources Director to appeal to his sense of logic, reason, and why was I terminated from this job. It's not fair, it's not right. Nevertheless, the Human Resources Director said that the company does not allow anything to be displayed on any employee, any kind of writings of any kind, even religious. The evidence was collected. I even appealed to the CEO, Director Michael Fiorito. Left them several voice messages saying the situation has occurred. Let's fix the situation. Let's work it out. It's a serious thing. To no avail, nothing happened. The termination stood fast. I filed and reported the incident with the City of New York, the State of New York. The federal government is aware of it. Filed a lawsuit, and for 13 years now I've been fighting this case. There was a deception recently. In 2012, two attorneys, Kenneth Kelly and Jordan of Epstein Becker at 250 Park Avenue in New York City, law firm, lied to Justice Julia Rodriguez and told her that I already collected from another lawsuit and this was a scam that I was doing to collect more money. They lied to the Justice Julia Rodriguez of the Bronx Super Civil Court and told her lies. Extreme prejudice was placed into decisions, and the case was literally, after waiting nearly 4 years for a trial, the case was put to the side. We are currently fighting this case with the New York City Appeals Court on 26th Street, Madison Avenue, where 5 justices will review the situation. And God willing, a quick trial will be set and damages will be instituted. 13 years ago, we were seeking $5 million plus punitive damages. Now, we're seeking triple damages, punitive damages times 2, disproportionate outcome damages, future damages, past damages, legal fees, lost career, lost pension. It all comes out to about $100 million plus. We're trying to settle also now with the law firm Epstein Becker, which is using Kenneth Kelly as their attorney, and Jordan. We want this case to receive justice. We want this case to come to the light of justice immediately. 13 years is too much. We lost and were deprived of a trial by jury of our peers. For 4 years we waited. this case is for the glory of God and the glory of Christ. It's a biblical case, a spiritual case. It's a religious discrimination case. And we look forward to fixing this as soon as possible and correcting it as soon as possible. You can email at jehovahjesusmin@gmail.com. That's jehovahjesusmin@gmail.com. Any comments, support, questions? Justice will be served soon enough. The courts will see the light. They will agree. And religious persecution and discrimination will stop in this world.